Hi everyone, this is Bree with week 3, our content week for the discussion board. My topic that I chose for my paper is the correlation between student athletics and the academic performance of student athletes. From the first article I found, it is studying community college students and how their academic performance is based on their enrollment as a student athlete. The study was conducted at a community college in California. They did not give the name of the community college in the article. It just called it City College. Many of the student athletes, they mainly focus on basketball players, were underprivileged and had problems with their home life, being evicted from their apartments or something like that. Money was a huge thing for a lot of them. Being able to afford their schooling and their housing and the commute was another big thing for a lot of them. And some of them had to take public transportation, and that public transportation could take upwards of 2, maybe 3 hours. And all of those things in combination with them being a student athlete made their academics take a turn. And at that particular school, they are required to take a full course load, which is 12 credits, and a lot of them struggled with their GPA suffering when they're failing a class and they have 12 credits, but they can't drop that class because then they're ineligible to play. So I'm reading more into that. The other article that I read was a study done at the University of South Carolina, and it was an article on the academic survey of engineering student athletes at a Division I university. So it's at USC. The mean GPA for the engineering student athletes was 3.24 on a 4.0 scale. So most of the engineering student athletes have very high GPAs. The other student athletes that they studied in this article were just general student athletes, male, female, regardless of their major. Their mean GPA was 3.43. So I haven't quite finished reading through that article, but it seems that students who go to a D1 school as opposed to a community college struggle less with being a student athlete and keeping their grade point average where it needs to be in order to achieve their goals. I hope I'm on the right track with all of this. I look forward to your feedback.